Hello, this is Ayodele Sunday, the CEO of Better Plumbing and Engineering Work. I quickly want to show you how this valve was repaired because of the standing place where people fetch water. Now, what I simply do was, there was a former one on this thing. If you look at this ground, these are the particles of the former one. Then I took a blade, the blade was taken, then you cut off this one. So immediately I cut off this one, then I make sure I chisel it out. So the moment I chisel it out, and I have to cut another new pipe that you're seeing. Cut another new pipe and glue it on this valve. So immediately I glue it on this valve. I'm waiting for this other glue to dry a bit. Then I will now apply another glue again on it, and then take it to where I will finally fix it. Is a valve they use converted into a tap. It's just converted into a tap, and then people fetch water. It's not actually a tap, it's a valve, but it was converted like a tap. Now I've glued it. It's a bit dry now. It's a bit dry, so I'll go and apply this glue. And I'm on my way there now. I'll go and apply this glue. So the moment I apply this glue, then I will then glue the pipe. So here I am. This is where the valve is going. This is where the valve is going. Then I will apply a glue again. I'll apply a glue again for the second time. So once I apply the glue, I told you it was converted to a standing place where they get water. So this is the place. Then I'm putting it in. Shit. Very difficult, but I have to do it. So it's standing now. Stay removing, so I have to glue it. So the moment I glue it, it's good to go. Till I come your way next time. Thank you.